The Adventure King's range of StayzCool fridges have been designed and engineered to be super efficient thanks to the genuine Seacock compressor. But that's not all. A major upgrade has been built into the StayzCool range that make them so good and so efficient. And to show you exactly what we mean, we're going to cut one of these in half and compare it to the competition. We've already degassed these fridges so they're safe to slice open. And forget using a saw, we're going to use a high pressure industrial water jet pumping out up to 60,000 PSI to get a precise cross-section cut. So here we have the cross sections. This is the competitor's fridge, and this is the Adventure King StayzCool range. Now you can see that our one is obviously a lot thicker, and it's got 50 millimeters of insulation on each of the sides and the base as well. Whereas the competitor's fridge varies anywhere between. It's got 35 millimeters of insulation at the top. It does widen out to 50, but then for the bottom here, and the base, it drops back down to 40 millimeters. And again, we've got 50 the whole way around. The lid as well, ours is a lot thicker. The Adventure King's is 40 millimeters thick, whereas the competitor's fridge, that one there, is only 30. So ours is 25% thicker, 25% more insulation on the lid as well. Each layer builds up to create the tough overall design too. You have the powder-coated steel on the outside, thick foam insulation, the tubes of the surrounding evaporator, and then the internal alloy layer. How's that for a comparison? The King's StayzCool fridge range has got more insulation than the competitor here. No wonder why they stay cold and run so efficiently even in those hot Aussie conditions. Plus, there are heaps more features and upgrades that you can check out on our other videos to see why this right here should be your next camping fridge.